What's up, YouTube? Hope y'all are having an amazing day or had an amazing day, depending on when you're seeing this video. Today, trade recap, I took a buy on NASDAQ, and I will be going over why I did that thing. So, realistically, first off, I want to say that I did not follow what I was planning on following today, because today, for the weekly profile, I've been trying to implement weekly profile into my day trading. And so today was supposed to be the expansion down because we're in a classic expansion. We come down Tuesday, manipulate into a high PD array, high time frame PD array, and then I'm looking for basically the draw liquidity being down here. So I'm looking for sells, or I was looking for sells, but I did a buy. That's why I'm saying I completely messed up today, and I already journaled it. I'll show you what I did, and then I'll show you what I should have done. Okay, so we tap into here. Let's go 5 minutes. So today we had this, and this is basically my trade. I'll play it out. So we come, okay, so basically what happened was we have this range, like price literally was chopping the entirety, because I guess news was dropping, but the entirety of, like from market open here to like 9 o'clock, price was just chopping back and forth. And so this is why I kind of was looking for buys, is because price was chopping so much. And then we come and like we basically on S&P, we got this draw liquidity. We got this liquidity down here. And so I thought, all right, maybe we're going to keep on looking buys, because I thought I wanted price to go up before it went down. So I thought, let's take a shot at some buys. And so we have here, we see that there's a candle. So basically what I like to do is wait for a retracement. I talked about this on my last video, that the 5-minute retrace is like a good little like confirmation. And so we wait for the retrace, which was right here. And so now I scaled down, pretty sure, yeah, here. Okay, so we had this BPR. Right here that I wanted to see get respected. And realistically, this was the trade entry because we had that 5-minute retracement here. So now I'm looking for buys, and then we also have this range here. So we tap back into discount too, which is good. And then we have this BPR, which price, as we fast forward, taps and respects. I entered right here, and then I entered right here on the buy, and then I put my stop loss below this BPR. And then I put my TP was up here, because this was like the draw, I thought, and then there's also a higher time frame draw up here, but I thought we just would get at least to this range. And then if we play out, I'll show you what I did. I completely messed up right here. I'll show you right here. I took out once like this candle closed, and I think I made like $300 combined with both of my funded accounts. But I realistically should have held on to it. This was a perfect trade at the end of the day. But I think what really messed me up is my analysis was perfect, but my execution could have been a lot better. What I would have liked doing is I would have liked actually entering on this candle and like this like immediate tap of the BPR, and then put my stop loss beneath this entire zone, because that alone gives me, let's see, if this was my TP, This would give me a 4 RR, but since I like bought pretty high into the range, it only like gave me like a barely a 1. And so I realistically, and that's also why I took out of the trade, because I thought my risk was pretty bad, and like I just wasn't very happy with the trade, so I just took off and let it do its own thing. But luckily, I saw TJR. He took a long here, and like this is a very, very good setup. But the only issue is that price like literally edged TP and then went all the way back down. But here's what I would have liked doing better. This is what the trade I should have taken. This is the trade I should have taken. So like I said, we were looking for sells, right? That's I thought price was going to continue to go down. And here we have this candle closure above. So this is the market maker model maker shift. And so basically, once this closes, then I'm very confident that price is going to go down. And so I realistically should have waited to 10 o'clock. And then if I were to have done that, let's see, 10 o'clock would have been, all right, let's wait. Okay, so here's the entry that I could have taken. So first off, we could have established this as the range. This here, this buy side, and then this sell side here, right? And then also another reason why this would be so strong is because there's sell side here, but then there's also the draw, like the high time frame draw liquidity here. So I'm like, all right, this is what I should have taken. If I were to have taken this trade, this is what it would have looked like. We got the manipulation leg here. We got the model maker shift here. And then what I would like to see is price come back into equilibrium. And so we'll see. Oh, price moves down a little bit more. Price moves down a little bit more. Okay. So realistically, it looks like there wasn't really an entry I could have taken except like this fair value gap, but I don't know how I would have liked snagging onto there. But yeah, it looks like price might have just, if we get a retrace, then I'll look. But okay, here actually, this might have been this would have been a better entry actually. This I would have entered off of, because we got the retrace into, oh wait, maybe we got retrace back into the zone, and then we also have this fair value gap, which it taps. This is what I would enter off of probably. Sell, put stop loss above the range high, and then targeting these draw, and then let's see how this would have played out. Perfect. Here's a little BPR. Let's see how price respects this. See, we come, boom, actually just break out of the range. And like you can see, that would have been the optimal buy. And then also, if I had more contracts going, then this would be the other draw. And I'm just going to spoiler alert this, but price comes and shits into this draw and liquidity. So yeah, that was pretty much the trade recap. What I would have liked doing better was, first off, the execution needs to be a lot better, because I think that if I had a better entry, then I would have stuck in the trade. And then also, I just have to trust myself and trust the setup. And honestly, like, even though TP didn't get hit and TP got edged, like up here, like this was the actual TP and it got edged. But that it's still a good trade. This is still a very good trade off the BPR and everything. But it just, I mean, price didn't go where I wanted to go. If this was the TP, then it would have hit. But I really thought that this was gonna be the draw. But yeah, it doesn't matter. Till tomorrow, can only try to make your trading better. And I found that my executions need to be a lot more precise, and that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Thank you.